Hello everyone, today we're going to do an air horn part 4 series, or part 5. I hope you guys enjoy this video because this is like air horn sound. This is goal horn. Oh yeah guys, sometimes the sound can be gone too. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm really trying. And the problem is that when I upload the video, that you guys can't even hear me. But I'm screen recording, and I don't know how it's just gonna work. And I'm really having a storage problems. So hold on, let me leave the game and then come. Alright guys, I had to leave the game because of sound problem. Yeah, now you guys can hear it. Okay.
Soap is not your friend in the shower. No. It doesn't control odor in a way that you think it does. And in fact, we always joke.
Okay, since that we can't hear the sound, but I can show you guys the sound, or I can make the sound familiar. Okay, so DJ horn. So this horn is like a normal horn, and this is the like old car horn that is released in 1980s. Okay, I'm probably making it up, but more horns.
And you can see it kind of like goes up in blocks almost. And it has like no react.
This egg log horn sounds like an alarm. Air horn mega. Man, I wish I had that. Mega. Air horn. Okay, so this is air horn mega. So, okay, hella horn. Nice. Alert. Bruh. countdown. This is like a movie countdown. Ghost siren. What does that even anything to do with it?
Make charging more fun.
Okay, guys. Be sure to subscribe and like, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye. And by the way, I'm sorry for you guys can't hear the sound. I'm working on it, but at least you guys hear one of these sounds. So see you later. Bye.